comes to cleaning out tanks and cleaning the pesticide tank mixes that are commonly used, there are many options a person can use to clean that tank out effectively. So here are a comprehensive list of those products. So you could go to plain water, which is going to take care of glyphosate. You can go to a product like household bleach that will clean out your HPPD inhibitors like Lotus. You can go to a detergent like dish soap that is going to take care of products like Liberty herbicide. You could use household ammonia, and that'll clean out your group run grass chemistries, say like section 3. So when you start to have tank mixes that become complicated, sometimes there's mixes that don't work together on cleaners. Namely, do not mix bleach and ammonia together. That can create a poisonous chlorine gas, and that's not a good thing. But there are other options out there. There are commercial tank cleaners like ProTank that can take care of herbicides and other pesticides from every category, from water, bleach, detergent, ammonia. A commercial tank cleaner will take care of everything. So really, here is your easy button.